Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija lockdown. Ka3na and Lilo have been evicted from the Big Brother Naija Season 5 show. The Big Brother Naija lockdown recently had its first eviction show and two housemates left the house. Eric, Lilo, Praise and Ka3na were put up for eviction by the voting public. The housemates were asked to nominate two of the four housemates for eviction. Ka3na and Lilo emerged as the most nominated housemates and were subsequently evicted. Ka3na and Lilo have become the first set of housemates of the 2020 edition of the Bbnaija show to be evicted, and fans are buzzing with mixed reactions. It was all tears, hugs and relief for the Bbnaija lockdown housemates as they witnessed the first eviction. A week after Big Brother put everyone up for eviction, fans of the housemates put in effort to keep their favourites in the house. Well, things took a different turn when Eric, Lilo, Praise and Ka3na were officially announced as the voting public choice for eviction. Each housemate was then invited into the diary room to nominate two of the bottom four for eviction. Sadly, Ka3na and Lilo came to the end of their journey in the house, and fans have been buzzing with mixed reactions. Eric was later seen sharing a hug with her before her exit from the house. Ka3na also hugged some of the housemates, including Praise, whom she reportedly had a tangle in the sheets with recently. So guys, Lilo and Ka3na have left the Big Brother Naija house. Yeah, this is the first eviction and we'll be seeing many more evictions in the show. What are your take on this, guys? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time